That was weird. The windows just went down. Does a double unlock open the windows? What just happened? What just happened? That was the weirdest thing ever. Not how I thought the intro to this video was gonna go. We gotta try that again. Put the windows back up. Take the key back. Let me lock it again. Okay, unlock. Come inside. Sit down. That was so weird. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a few different things going on, but before we get into it, let's talk about the windows going down in this thing this morning. I've never had that happen to me, and I tried replicating it, and obviously I couldn't. But if any of you have, this is a 2017, it's a F350, I believe, dump truck. It's a gasser. If any of you have this truck and have seen the windows go down, or know how to make the windows go down without the key even being in it, just in my hand, I thought it was double tapping the unlock button, but obviously I tried it and it didn't work. If any of you know how I did that or how to do it again, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know, because that was the strangest thing that's happened to me in a while. But anyway, we're obviously at Home Depot right now. I have to run inside and pick up a bunch of roofing supplies, but we'll go over that in a little bit. In this bag here next to me, this is the DPF filter off of Rodrigo's TerraStar, and in this bag is all these broken pieces to it. So Rodrigo's truck, you might remember, he had a few issues during the past couple snowstorms where the truck started making a loud noise, and he got a check engine light, and I believe he got a triangle with an exclamation point. Don't quote me on that. I know there was another light he got, and I'm not sure exactly what it was. I believe it was that. But turns out this filter was completely clogged, and we sent it out to get cooked, and when it got cooked, it fell apart, obviously. So we need to get a new one, and I'm actually dropping this off to my brother. He's gonna run up to the international dealer that we deal with. It is upstate in New York. It used to be Ben Funk, now it's Allegiant. So he's gonna take the trip up there for us today, drop this off and get the new one. There is actually a core charge for this, so he's got to drop it off. With the core charge, it saves you a ton of money, but it's still, I think it's like $2 grand or 2,500 bucks or something like that. I don't know the exact dollar amount, but I know it's not cheap. So he's gonna run later, drop this off, and get the new one hopefully back to us today. But let me run inside, get all of this roofing material loaded in my truck, get back to the job site, and then we will go over the rest of the day once we are there. All right, guys, so the reason I went to Home Depot is to get all these shingles. We got weather watch, cap shingles, ridge vent, pretty much everything we need to do a roof. And we're actually at my house today putting a new roof on here. So as you can tell, the roof, I don't know if you can tell from here, but the roof is very old. It is probably the worst part of my house now. We've been doing upgrades over the past few years. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that we resided the house a couple years ago. Last year we put new decks on the house, and now we are doing a new roof.
¿Qué hablas?
No habla nada.
Tú hablas mucho.
No.
Sí.
¿Es jefe, muñeco?
Es jefe 3.
Oh, wow.
Tú eres el jefe 3.
Es jefe 2. The padre es jefe 1.
Tú eres el jefe 3.
No, no, no.
Sí.
This is jefe 4. jefe 5. What's up? What's up? Nice of you to show up.
Alright guys, so we brought our new Skytrak here so we can, well really for two reasons, so we can use the dumpster and also lift the shingles and whatnot up onto the roof rather than carrying it all. Guys, let's look at this real quick. I got two pallets in front of each other on the forks. The forks are probably halfway. Oh wow, the forks are to like here. That's pretty nice being able to take two in a row as long as they're lined up straight.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we are all buttoned up for the day. It's just me and Kevin left, but the roof on the back is pretty much done. There's a little bit left on the top corner up there, not much at all. You can see where the deck armor is peeking through, but this color looks very nice on here with the blue siding there. I think it goes together very well. Let me climb down and we'll look at it from the hill real quick. Let's see. Yeah, it looks way better. I don't know if, actually, you'll see tomorrow in tomorrow's video on the front, the old shingles are like gray and just super old and sun faded, and this looks much better. This is really the last thing on my house exterior wise to clean it up until I put a Trex deck on the back, but that's a lot of money, so I don't know if I'll ever get to that point. But today is actually Kevin's last day with us. We had to fire him. My dad was not too happy with his performance and
I suck.
made me have a hard conversation. Yeah, he does suck, but no, we're joking. He worked with us through the winter just as a pretty much a mechanic to help me and Rodrigo, and then also plowing. So if it does snow at all the rest of the year, he will be there just to plow, but he's no longer full-time with us. So everybody leave a comment, tell Kevin he sucks, and that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.